Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is me with another video, and I hope you guys will like this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and help my channel to grow, guys. We are all family. We are all from Africa to the world, so we are all family. Maybe you could be from a different continent or any other country outside Africa. We are all family. You're welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys will like really this video, because today I'm gonna share with you about the waterfalls in Angola, one of the biggest waterfalls we have in Angola, because we have a different type of waterfalls in Angola, but this one I'm going to share with you today is a beautiful one. It's the biggest one. It's located in one of Angola province, Malange. We call Malange, and this waterfall we call Quedas de Calandula. This is how we call the waterfalls in Angola. So, and I hope you guys will like this video. This is the beautiful waterfall from Angola.